Hello friends, hello everyone, my name is Vcard and you are welcome to my channel where you can learn new tricks and tips on how to market your business and make money online. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can be notified whenever a new video is posted. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate mobile phone numbers. This video is for educational purposes and not for spamming. Before we proceed, I want to quickly show you that I have no contact on this phone. Here is my contact list. I have 0 contacts, and this is my WhatsApp. I also have no contacts. Okay, we have to quickly go to the app that we're going to be using today. It's called Friends Number. This app is not on Play Store. First thing you want to do here is to enter the preface of the country you want to search or you want to generate number from. Okay, if you want to do Philippines, for example, you have to put 63. If you want to do Malaysia, 60. If you want to do South Africa's 27, and so on. But today we are going to be doing USA. Okay, now, but for security purposes, I'm not going to display the number for you to see, but I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, paste. Then now I'll have to change the number I want to generate. Let me say I want to generate 200. Then you say search. Okay, done. We have just generated 200 mobile phone numbers. Let's check if they will appear on our WhatsApp and if they will appear on our contact list. Okay, let me just open. Now you see you have 42 contacts on WhatsApp. That's what I have already. Okay, and let's go ahead and check if actually they are there. You can see I have so many contacts. You see, but like I said earlier, this video is not for spamming. It's for educational purpose. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can also drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.